In this session, we're going to look at looping in Alice. Look down at the bottom of the screen and you see two tiles for loops. One is called loop and one is called while. With the while tile, you can actually set up a condition using a variable to have any kind of a while loop that you might want to have. With the loop tile, it's kind of like a for next loop in that we're going to tell it how many times we want to increment. It's actually the easier structure to use, so it's the one we use in this particular program. I've already set the scene up with the skate girl and a beach ball, and what we're going to have her do is actually throw the ball up in the air, and then we'll put that code into a loop and have it execute several times. So I'm going to start with the do together tile. And what I want to select is the skater girl's upper body, her head. And I want her head, and I'm going to use the pane here so that I can find exactly her head, neck, and then head. And I want her head to actually turn backward. So I want head turn tile, backward, and the amount is going to be 0.1. And then I want to take her upper body left arm, and I have the tree open here, so upper body left arm is the next tile in the do together block, and I want her upper body left arm to actually turn backward, and I can choose that from this list as well as just dragging the tile out and dropping it. So I can choose the backward, and the amount again is going to be 0.1. So I've already got that selected, 0.1, and I'm going to copy that tile and drop it in, because the only change here is I want her upper body, her right arm instead of her left arm. So I'm scrolling down through my choices here, the entire right arm to turn backward. And if we add the ball to this, I want the beach ball to go up 1 meter in the air. So I'm going to select the beach ball, and I want it to move. So I'm going to select the beach ball move tile up 1 meter. And if we play that, we see her throw the ball up. So now we don't want to reverse that whole section so the ball comes back down and she catches it. The fastest way to do that is to just make a copy of this entire do together block. So I'm going to right click, make a copy, and then I'm going to come through here and just reverse the directions. Instead of backward, we want forward, backward to forward, backward to forward, and then the ball, instead of going up, is going to come down. And if I play this, then she throws it up and she catches it. Notice her head's turning too. So what I want to do is put this whole block of code, both blocks, into a loop tile and have it execute a number of times. So I'm going to drag my loop tile up above my do together, and it pops up here and asks me how many times, and of course I can go to the calculator, but I want it to go 5 times. Then I want the first do together, I'm going to put it inside the loop, then grab the second do together and put it inside the loop. So now it's going to loop 5 times and do each of these blocks. So she's actually going to throw the ball up and down 5 times. So when I play it now, we can see the effect of the loop executing the number of times that we've told it to. So we can do repetitive blocks of code in Alice by building a loop either with the loop tile or a while tile.